I just wanted to show you guys behind the scenes of this little rascal. I just posted him on Reddit, and he's doing really, really well on Reddit. People really seem to like little Hydro Nugget. I actually didn't know that there was a subreddit called Hydro Nugget. I'm a tad bit under the weather as well, so I apologize for the way I sound. But so this is the little Hydro Nugget in all his glory. And there's actually another little character that I want to draw. Let me get rid of this dark background. So let me group these so I can hide them. So this is another character that I drew back in 2014. And here's the sketch that I did. So I think on one of the live videos that I'm going to do later, I'm going to draw him. I'm just going to draw him the same way that I did the little water guy. Not exactly the same, like maybe not see-through, but I'll draw him, reimagine him in digital, because it's really, really fun doing things like this. So I just wanted to give a little shout out to this little guy here, and and say a few words about him, because I'm reposting this. Actually, I'm not sure if I ever posted this on YouTube, so I just wanted to repost, give this guy all of his fame and glory, and post him on YouTube again, because I think when I was originally making these, like honestly, like last year, I only had about, I think, like less than 300 YouTube followers. So I took that quarantine to sort of build my YouTube. So there's a lot more people now. So there are some things that I want to post again, because I think a lot of people will enjoy them that may not have, let's see if I can make this even darker here, that just haven't seen some of the things that I posted early on, because my YouTube channel was garbage and I didn't really post anything that great. So, but this is one of them. I just posted this on my Instagram again. So, yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a shout out. Disregard my messy room. Although I think I'm going to clean my room, because I definitely need to clean my room. All right, so thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. As always, keep drawing, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate you. Be sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at DrugFreeDave. And don't forget to join my private Facebook group, Procreate Tutorials and Guidance. Check me out on Facebook. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon. And as always, keep drawing, and I'll see you in the next video.